Maximize your earnings on Swagbucks for 2026. Swagbucks has been a top online earner for me over the last 4 years. It continues to earn me over $1,000 each year for an hour's work in the evening. But how do you make the most out of the platform? Hey everyone, it's Dan from Sidehustlereliance. On our channel, our aim is to help the online money making community find new and exciting ways to profit using our PCs and our smartphones. Swagbucks is one of the longest running get paid to platforms around, and even though they've rolled out some questionable changes as of late, like reducing the amount of money you get paid per survey and pushing up the amount needed to withdraw, it still holds a place as a solid earner for 2026. In this video, I'll walk you through the strategy I personally use. I'll show you how you can pull in more than $150 a month, and then show you how this site fits in alongside other well-known survey platforms. Let's get into it. What is Swagbucks? Swagbucks is a get paid to site that is willing to pay you for completing small tasks on their platform. You can get rewarded by completing surveys, playing games, and even just searching the web. Swagbucks has paid out over $600 million since they initially launched, and a wide range of users are able to earn more than $1,000 a year on the platform, just like me. And the thing is, so can you. As someone who has made more than $8,000 on the platform, which equates to over 700,000 SB, while still doing a full-time job, I want to show you the approaches that will actually help you hit $150 every single month. If you're new to Swagbucks and haven't joined yet, there's a link in the description where you can sign up. If you sign up with that link, you'll get a 300 SB bonus once you've earned your first 300 SB on the platform. It's a handy little boost to kick off your earnings on the site. To-do list. When you first log into Swagbucks, you'll probably be staring at the dashboard, wondering where do I even start? Well, for me personally, I think a good starting point is the to-do list. So this is a list of 8 simple tasks that you can complete every day, and the more you complete, the bigger bonus you'll get at the end of the day. I really recommend that you try and complete this every single day, mainly because it's quick, it's easy, and the fact is it's a really good way to navigate the site. You can earn up to 10 SB by completing this to-do list every single day. Right next to the to-do list is your daily goal. The thing is, the daily goal does scale with your history on the platform. That does mean that newer users start with a smaller target, which will earn them a smaller bonus, whilst long-term users like myself will have a larger target to achieve, but in doing so I will get a larger bonus on the 5th of the following month. So yeah, make sure you do not miss out on your daily goal. Daily poll. This is the easiest SB you'll ever earn on the platform. It's one question, you can pick anything, and then 1 SB is in your bank. It's available every single day, and it doesn't get simpler than this. Daily games. On Swagbucks there's a wide range of different game offers available, but there is one game on the platform that is designed to reward you for just playing it in your browser. That game is called Giant Hamster Run. I've actually left a link in the description for you to actually get to Giant Hamster Run, just because it's going to be easier in the future, so make sure you favourite that. The strategy for the Giant Hamster Run game is to play it for 15 seconds at a time. You would then lose on purpose, wait 15 seconds, and then repeat the game. By doing this strategy, you will earn 2 SB for every 2 runs you complete, and you can grab yourself 6 SB a day by just playing this game for hardly any effort. It's not to be missed. Searching. Swagbucks is even willing to pay you for completing searches on the platform. So if you use Swagbucks as a search engine and you complete between 6 and 8 searches each day, you can pick up as much as 28 SB each day, depending on if there's a promotion on when you're completing these searches. Gold surveys. On Swagbucks, surveys are my main earner, and they probably will be yours too. Although the way to approach surveys on Swagbucks has changed quite a bit since last year's video. Before diving into surveys on Swagbucks, you need to make sure that you've seen my How to Qualify for Surveys video, which I posted a few weeks ago. In that video, I showcase a strategy that will boost your qualification rate in every single survey across every single survey site, including Swagbucks. Here's a quick summary of a strategy I mentioned in that video. You need to make sure when completing surveys, you are the head of tech, you work in IT, you have 2 children, and your income is over £50,000 or more. Just make sure you keep it consistent to avoid being banned from surveys. On Swagbucks, I will only do surveys that pay at least 45 SB, mainly because your time is valuable. I don't want you to be spending time doing surveys for literal pennies. You deserve the big bucks. Here's a few pro tips to increase your earnings when completing surveys on Swagbucks. Make sure you turn on the SB per minute display in your settings. This will help you quickly sort out the surveys that are worth your time and which ones aren't. Also, don't forget you can earn up to 30 SB for every survey rejection you face on the platform. That does mean that even if you fail, you're still getting paid something. The thing is, Swagbucks are still testing this disqualification feature, so in some cases you may only earn 1 SB, but it's still better than nothing. Swagbucks Live. Swagbucks also has a separate application known as Swagbucks Live, where they host a daily quiz game on weekdays where you could win a share of their prize pools, which normally is at around $10,000. All you need to do is make sure you get all the questions right. To boost your chances of winning a share of this prize pool, you need to join the Reddit Swagbucks Discord server, mainly because there's a section in that server where everyone will tell you the exact answers you need to pick. If they win, you win, and vice versa. The most money I've earned by following this strategy is 155 SB. The only problem with these quiz games is if you're outside the USA, because the quiz games happen at stupid times. The thing is, in the Swagbucks Live application, there is also another way to earn, so you can take part in daily trivia rounds regardless of your time zone, where depending on how many questions you get right, the more money you will earn, and the max you can earn on this is 10 SB per day, and you can take part in this quiz every single day. Swagcodes. Swagbucks is also renowned for giving free SB in the form of Swagcodes. So you need to make sure you have the Swag button extension installed on your browser, and then just search for a code between 4 PM and 6 PM on weekdays. You'll get given a little code which you can paste into the extension, and you'll earn between 2 SB and 100 SB, depending on if there's a promotion running. It's literally free money for just tapping a button. Offer walls. Like most other get paid to sites, Swagbucks does actually have a offer wall, which is packed full of tasks. The one I really want to mention is CPX Research, which gives you access to exclusive surveys you won't find on the Swagbucks survey feed. CPX Research can be found under Deals, then Review, and then find CPX Research. The best thing is about CPX Research is you can start a survey, and in a worst case scenario, you will still earn 1 SB as a disqualification bonus, which then helps you complete a section of your to-do list. Not to mention, on Swagbucks there's also game offers under the deals section of the platform, and sometimes these game offers are fantastic. The thing is, I've actually done these game offers before on Swagbucks, and they didn't credit properly, so please be a bit cautious with regards to them. Magic Receipts. Magic Receipts works as a cashback system, so what you need to do is you need to check if there's any items available on Swagbucks, add it to your basket, then go and find the product in a shop, and then just upload your receipt. It's that simple. By doing this, the payouts can be anything from 25 to 700 SB, depending on the offer available on the platform. So that's all the ways to earn on Swagbucks. Let's talk about cashing out. Withdrawing. On Swagbucks, you can cash out once you hit 650 SB for a £5 reward to a wide range of different retailers, like Marks & Spencer's, Amazon, and even PayPal. I personally cash out around £150 a month to PayPal from Swagbucks, and I put this money straight to work in my investments. The truth. Swagbucks has been one of the most reliable earners for years for me, and it's only really been beaten by Prolific and 5 surveys. But the real trick is that you can use all 3 of these platforms together, which is fantastic. By following all the different tips I've mentioned in this video, you can easily be making £150 a month on Swagbucks, even with a really busy schedule. And the thing is, if you follow the strategies across a full year, you're easily going to be making more than £1,000, which is fantastic. And don't forget, if you haven't signed up for Swagbucks already, make sure you use my link in the description so that you can get 300 SB bonus once you earn your first 300 SB on the platform. It's not to be missed. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed this video. On screen right now is my 2 news videos, and I'll catch you guys real soon.